Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI in blogging. First, let's explore content creation. AI tools can be incredibly helpful for generating fresh blog post ideas and detailed outlines in just a few minutes. They can also draft initial content, saving you many hours of writing. Furthermore, AI helps overcome writer's block by suggesting new angles and can even craft engaging headlines and meta descriptions, boosting your search engine optimization efforts right from the start. Next, let's look at optimizing your blog content. AI tools can analyze your text for readability, suggesting improvements to make it more accessible to your audience. They are excellent at identifying relevant keywords and optimizing your content for search engines, potentially increasing organic traffic by 20% or more. Additionally, AI can meticulously check for grammar, spelling, and stylistic errors, ensuring a polished final product. It also helps personalize content for various audience segments, enhancing engagement. Moving on to promotion and distribution, AI offers powerful capabilities. It can efficiently generate compelling social media posts directly from your blog content, saving you valuable time. These tools also help schedule posts for optimal engagement times, potentially reaching thousands more readers. By analyzing audience data, AI can target your promotions more effectively, leading to a higher return on investment. Moreover, it can personalize email marketing campaigns for your subscribers, fostering stronger connections and driving traffic back to your blog. Finally, let's consider ethical AI use and future trends in blogging. It is crucial to always review AI-generated content for accuracy and potential biases, ensuring your information is reliable. Remember to maintain your unique human voice and perspective. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. AI tools are constantly evolving, offering new and exciting capabilities every few months. Focus on using AI as a powerful assistant to enhance your blogging, rather than relying on it entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.